Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Slack for team communication in 2025. Now, Slack is one of the easiest ways for teams to chat, to share your files, and stay organized. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for slack.com. You can also download the Slack application on your mobile device, and then you can basically log in into your account if you haven't already. So once you have signed up, it is going to ask you to create a workspace. So you need to first of all create that. Only then you will be able to access this type of page in front of you. Now, inside Slack, conversations are basically organized in the form of channels. As you can see over here, we have the new channel social. If you want to add any channel, you can click on this and you can add any of the channels over here. Then press next and add it something like this. So this particular channel section is very important so that your chats focused instead of lost in group texts. Now for one-on-one or any kind of small group chats, you can also use the option of direct messages. So you can click over here and you can start typing your message here. So this particular section is perfect for the quick updates or any kind of private conversation that you want to do with a team member. You can also click on this plus icon in order to drag and drop your files like images, documents, videos over here. It will also going to give you the feature of emoji. So you can click on any one of these and add it over here. You can also type the keyword here in the search bar. You can also use the search bar here on the top in order to search for finding any of the old messages and your files quickly. You can also adjust the notification settings so that you don't miss any of the important updates, but also avoid any kind of overload. So this is how you will be able to start using Slack for team communication. You just have to set up your account. You just have to bring your team members over here and you can just start having a conversation with them. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.